Hello, I'm in Pondicherry today, close to the Aurobindo Ashram. And here at this vast expanse of the ocean, and I am going to talk about Swadhisthana Chakra in continuation of the Kundalini Yoga series. And coincidentally, the element of Swadhisthana Chakra is also water. So the Swadhisthana Chakra, which is located at the tailbone, the chakra is represented as a bright orange six-petaled lotus flower, and at the center is a water body reflecting a crescent moon like is there today in the sky. And this is the representation, symbolic imagery of Swadhisthana Chakra. Its element is water body, and there are many more aspects which you have to know. And please read in my book, Kundalini Yoga for All, and practice your awareness when you sit in meditation and try to locate this chakra with its imagery at the tailbone. Stay healthy, stay happy, Hari Om, Tatsat.